Guys, this is a big one. Apple AirPods Max just been announced today. Yes, I've ordered one. My wallet cries. But we'll find out soon. Did I make a mistake or not? Let's dive straight in and find out. This promises to be an absolute banger of a product with high fidelity audio and EQ, spatial audio, and obviously adaptive noise cancelling, which is standard in most headphones these days, but that's not really what I'm excited about. It has these amazing ear cups. They're huge and have a custom acoustic design. There's so many goodies in here. They really crafted this headband in their own sort of quite unique way, and I just can't wait to feel it and experience this fit, and obviously to experience the sound quality, which is what I really care about. The ear cups, there's apparently this very unique mechanism that balances the pressure to adapt to each of our heads in our own unique way, which is great. They have this memory foam as well to create a very good seal, which is what they promise to be, what's going to deliver this incredible immersive sound. And they're expanding the use of the crown that you find in Apple Watches to this device as well. So if you're an Apple Watch wearer, you'll be familiar with these controls, but you can use it to skip tracks, manage the volume, do all sorts of controls within that crown. When it comes to the technology in each of these ear cups as well, they're fantastic. They're really packing a punch on this one. They have a 40mm dynamic driver and some unique bits and pieces that I can't even pronounce. Neodymium ring magnet motor? I think that's how you say it. Don't know. Sounds amazing, if you pardon the pun. And you will be the first to find out. As soon as I get it, I've ordered it. It'll be here in a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks. And I'll be doing the unboxing and the full review in this channel. So stay tuned for that. And being Apple, it comes with its very special chip. They're calling the H1. Each capable of 9 billion operations per second. I just can't even imagine what that means, but the experience we'll be able to get through these bad boys is something that really promises to be amazing. Some of the features here that caught my eye are this transparency mode. Basically, it means we can listen to our content, to our music, to our videos, or whatever it is that we're watching, being aware of our surroundings, and most importantly, our own voice, which has been a problem with lots of ANC headphones in the past. You can't hear yourself and you start shouting and people go, why are you shouting at me? So this promises to be a really good feature for those occasions. Now, the one I really want to experience, and I know the PS5 headphones promise to deliver this as well. I haven't tried that one yet, but it's spatial audio. This thing basically tracks your head movement. What? To basically place sounds virtually anywhere in the space. This will give you, again, that very immersive theater-like experience for things that are recorded in 5.1 or 7.1 and Dolby Atmos. The battery is fantastic. 20 hours of listening, doesn't matter if you're using ANC or not, with that turned on or not. 20 hours watching videos, 20 hours listening to music, that's a lot. That will take you through probably the best part of a week of lots of hours listening, so that's really good. Some of the additional features as well include automatic switching so that you can move between your devices, I guess just like you do today with these guys. And it also gives you the ability to share audio should you have 2 of them. That's like $1,000, more than $1,000. In terms of colors, they look incredible. They released in silver, space gray, let's have a quick look, sky blue and green, pink and green. So really good. Pink looks quite red actually, but maybe it's just my screen here. I went for blue. They didn't have a gold one, so I went for blue. The microphones, it looks like it's got 2 microphones near the ear cup, but the fact that they've got 2 openings for the microphone, it would seem, even if it's just in one ear cup, it's pretty good. So yeah, so marketing obviously got hold of the microphone here. So in the microphone, they've got beam forming microphones that block out ambient noise and focus on the user's voice. Okay. All right, guys, so really excited. As soon as it arrives, 2-3 weeks, you will hear first. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, so as soon as I release a video on this bad boy, you'll hear about it. And I'll see you in the next one.
You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now